Hi guys, quick live withdrawal lang po tayo kay Aker Solutions. Check natin kung paying pa sila kasi pang ilang days na ba si Aker?
Pang 4 days.
Pang 4 days na niya ngayon, no? So wait na lang natin na dumating. So ayan na, success na rin siya guys. You have received 160 of GCash from. So paying na paying po siya, no? Sobrang bilis, same sila ni Nucleate, no? Sobrang bilis ng withdraw nila. So magtatagal pa to si Nucleate, parang Arlan sa'yo, no? So yun guys, ito po yung mga product nila. Yung 200 pesos mo kikita ng 64 pesos, yung 500 pesos mo kikita ng 165 pesos per day. Yung 800 pesos mo kikita ng 272 pesos per day. Yung 1,200 mo kikita ng 420 pesos per day. Yung 2,500 mo kikita ng 900 pesos per day. Yung 5,000 kikita ng 1,900 pesos per day. And yung 10,000, 4,000. So and so on guys. So yun lang guys, ilalagay ko na lang po sa pinned comment section ko yung aking link. And again guys, invest what you can afford to lose lang guys. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.